Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck restore on YouTube app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of restore on YouTube, we click on settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you can enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.